Welcome to Has Academy channel. Have you subscribed for our channel? If not, please click on the subscribe button and the bell button, because you are going to be getting lots and lots of amazing stuff. And today is going to be the start of my and continuation of the previous video on yoga and the 8 limbs of yoga. Today I am going to be talking about the first limb of yoga. Alright, and for the next forthcoming days you will be learning all the 8 limbs of yoga. So the first limb of yoga is nothing but the Panchayamas. Yamas means the things which should not be done, and there are 5 things which we should refrain ourselves from doing. These 5 things are, the Panchayamas are, the first one is ahimsa, that is non-violence. We all know about non-violence, wherein some of us feel that violence is only about physical violence, but this is also about your violence of words or thoughts. Even in a thought level, when you think really bad about somebody, it's going to be a violence. Yes, and then the second one is going to be satya, that is truthfulness. Never lie and be truthful. And the third one is astaya, which is non-stealing. Stealing is not just things, but even ideas or thoughts of people. Anything that we do without giving the credit of the person from where we have taken it is called stealing. And then brahmacharya. Brahmacharya is proper channeling of creative impulses, like totally ensuring that all our senses are in control with ourselves. That is mainly into brahmacharya. And finally, your aparigraha, which means non-covetousness. Covetousness means actually trying to possess things which doesn't belong to us also, but non-covetousness means wherein we are not actually possessing things which do not belong to us, and we are really honest about what we really want to have and what we are having, that moderation in our life, wherein this is enough kind of thing. So when we are able to follow these 5 things, being non-violence, no telling lies, no stealing, no telling no to anything that is destructive for our creative things, and also telling no to things which doesn't belong to us. When we are able to do this, this is going to help us actually live a life of complete contentment and happiness, and totally going to direct us towards the success in our life. I hope today's video had a key learning for you. Post in the comment section below what is your key learning from today's video. Also, like, share and subscribe for our channel so that you will be getting regular updates from us. Wishing you happiness and success. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling, and we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.